Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my lovely and wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Click the subscribe button below and also click on that bell icon. It will notify you whenever I upload a new and interesting video. So welcome. If you're new here, my name is Justina, and if you like everything that has to do with Nigerian African food, then you are in the right place. We are not only cooking it, but we're also eating and demolishing it in front of the camera. So if you love your food, if you love enjoying your food, if you love spicy, good, juicy food, then you're in the right place. Subscribe and stay tuned. So today we are going to be making vegetable soup. I am going to take you guys over there and I will introduce you guys to our ingredients for today. I hope you stay tuned and stick around to see how this recipe turned out. Thank you. So guys, for this recipe I'm using two of this plum tomato. I'm using sweet pepper, sweet red pepper, onions, and habanero pepper. I'm using another onions for cooking and frying my tomato, maggi, and ogiliobe, red oil, mixed seasoning, crayfish, salt, and my spinach vegetable. So guys, this is our meat. So guys, in here I have turkey and I have chicken. I have tried to cut my turkey and chicken a bit small, yeah, so I tried to slice them a bit smaller. Okay, we're going to add ingredients and we're going to start cooking our meat. So guys, I'm going to add salt, I'm going to add thyme, I'm going to add mixed seasoning, I'm going to add 2 maggi, going to add onions, and I'm going to cover and cook this meat until the meat is soft and tender. I'm going to blend my onion, sweet pepper, habanero pepper, and tomato. So guys, now I'm going to add my red oil inside the pot. I'm going to allow it to heat up before I add my onions. So guys, now I'm going to add my onions. I'm going to allow that to fry for 2 minutes. So guys, after 2 minutes, I'm going to add my blended tomato, onions, and sweet pepper and habanero pepper. So I've added them in there. So I'm going to fry the tomato and let the tomato dry up. Let all the water in the tomato dry up. So I'm going to allow it to fry properly. I'm going to add a little water. And I'm going to cover and keep boiling the meat. I'm going to add warm water inside the veg. I just want to squeeze out some excess water from the veg because I just want to be in control of the amount of water I am going to add in the soup. So by doing this, you're gonna limit the amount of water that the veg is gonna bring in inside the soup. take out our meat from the stove, and I am going to also fry this meat. So I'm going to take it out and get it ready for frying. So guys, I'm going to add my oil so I can start frying the meat. I'm going So guys, our tomato is done frying. I am going to start adding ingredients inside the tomato. So I'm going to add crayfish. I'm going to add mixed seasoning. I'm going to add ogiliobe. I have pounded the ogiliobe. I'm going to mix. I'm going to allow it to simmer with the seasoning for 5 minutes, and it's on low heat, is on heat number 3. After allowing my tomato to simmer for 5 minutes, I'm going to transfer it into a bigger pot. So now I'm going to add my meat. The aroma of the ogili is coming through. So yeah. I'm going to put it back on the stove and let it simmer with the meat for like another 5 minutes. I'm going to add a little bit of my meat stock. I'm going to add maggi too. This is after 5 minutes of allowing it to simmer. I'll add a little bit salt. Now I'm going to add my vegetable. So guys, I'm going to cover it and just let it simmer for a few seconds so the vegetable can get a bit soft, so I can mix it properly with the sauce. So guys, now I'm going to taste for maggi and salt. So I took it out of the stove completely because I didn't want the veg to keep cooking. Okay. Yeah, everything is good, everything is perfect, all the seasoning are well enough. So guys, this is it guys, I transferred it into this pot again so I can get a clear picture for my thumbnail. Anyway, yeah, this is where this recipe is going to end guys. The aroma is just delicious. I can't wait to dive in. So guys, it has been amazing in here in this kitchen. The aroma and the flavor, this kitchen is just full of lovely wonderful aroma. I hope you enjoyed this recipe as much as I did. I totally enjoyed making it for you guys, and I totally enjoy spending a wonderful time with you guys as well. Don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up, leave a comment below. I can't possibly wait to dive in and demolish this food. So thank you once again for stopping by, and please do not forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.